Lego have announced the new city sets coming on the 1st of June. And I'm wondering if the Harbour Freight Train with a crane and a truck is the best new set. It is certainly one that I will be getting. It comes with an on-powered shunter. It comes with 4 load tracks. One, of course, is one at the back. There is a fridge. It comes with a telehandler to move them from the train onto the flatbed truck. And it comes with a small amount of track. There are 3 minifigures, and you can see them here, having a little look at the engine which comes with it. And here they are having a look and a play with the tractor that comes with it. That's a train operator, a telehandler operator, and a dock worker. Comes as £90 in the UK, 803 pieces. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see.